Chapter 12, Auto Insurance, Part B. Factor affecting premiums. Rate class, the intended use of the vehicle. Highlight rate class, highlight intended use. Intended use भी तुझे किस purpose लिए use करनी vehicle. Higher premium is charged for vehicle use for a business. So highlight higher premium for business use. Lower premium when used for pleasure. That's why people normally they do business but they put their pleasure. When the accident happens, then the problem. So basically, you should better have business, right? Territory, highlight territory means there are the vehicle. The vehicle is operated is based on geography and population. Highlight based on geography and population. Premium are higher in lower mainland than on Vancouver Island. So write down higher premium on mainland. Or the interior BC is divided into 14 territories and one for outside BC. So highlight 14 territories. So basically, the bigger the town, the higher the premium. Claim record. To highlight claim record. To determine the final premium to be charged, the base rate is the first established. Highlight base rate. Dependent on the vehicle type, highlight vehicle type, use, territory, and optional coverage. Sports model naturally you pay more, right? The use, you're going to use business or player, right? And territory again, right? And optional coverage. Base rate is the amount of premium applicable without any discount or surcharge. Highlight without discount or surcharge. Then highlight base rate. Next, the claim rate scale. Used to determine discounts, highlight discounts, reductions of base rate for claim-free motorists and surcharges in increase of base rate for motorists with chargeable claims. So basically, claim rated scale used to determine discount, right? Determine discount means कितना तो discount मिलना, right? Reduction of base rate for claim-free motorists, hired claim-free motorists, and surcharges increase of base rate for motorists whose chargeable claims. Chargeable claim is a collision or third-party liability paid out under an insured auto plan insurance. So basically, जिन्हों का claim आ उन्होंने ज़्यादा पे करना पैंदा है, जिन्हें claim free जिन्होंने कभी accident नहीं किया है, they pay less. Yeah, right. So there is a breakdown underneath, right? Levels on claim rated scale. Discount level begin with a 5% discount. So I had a 5% discount for each year. I had each year of claim free driving represented by level 1 to level 8. I had 1 to 8 equal to 40% discount, right? It takes you 8 years to reach 40. From level 9 to 17, the discount is a 43%. Highlight never 9 to 17. Then for a chargeable claim, so 5% every year, right? 1 to 8 40, 9 to 17 43. For a chargeable claim, the insured's position on the claim scale will move up by a predetermined number of a predetermined that is पहलों तो निर्धारित किए हैं. Example, insured's position on claim rate scale before chargeable claim is minus 14. For example, right? Insured moved up 4 level after chargeable claim. How many level? 4 level. एक claim आ गया 4 level up. So now you are minus 10. Right? So moved up how many? 4 level after chargeable claim. It is minus 10 now. Additional Road Star and Road Star Gold savings, right? Hmm? Yeah, 114. Yeah. So here is additional Road Star Gold savings starting at level -5. Minus yeah, to -17. Starting at level -5 to -15. Additional savings are earned on optional coverage. Basically, the coverage you buy optional, right? -17. Eh? Okay, recovery rules. After 3 consecutive years, consecutive mean लगातार, right? Right? कोई break नहीं है. Without a chargeable claim, right? Insured return to the same level. What happened? The 3 साल कोई charge नहीं लगा, right? Return to the same level on the so the current rate scale as was prior to the last claim. As prior to the last. If 3 year no accident, whatever was your previous, you go back to that, right? Make, model and model year of vehicle. So then rest depend upon make, model and year. When physical damage called own damage means own damage, coverage option is selected by insured factors, determining amount of premium for the rating category to which vehicle belongs, either rate group or declared value. Declared value of the vehicle, right? Vehicle based on cost of repair, right? Risks of theft, चोरी का रिस्क कई गड्डियां ज़्यादा होता है, right? Types of coverage, options collision, comprehensive and specified peril. Specified होता है खास रिस्क, right? Comprehensive होता है total बड़े level दी, right? Collision होता है accident, right? Amount of deductible, फिर deductible कितना है? Optional available for collision and comprehensive. Specified peril has only one deductible. कितना? Specified only one. Option सिर्फ available के लिए है सिर्फ collision के comprehensive. So other optional auto plans coverage. Additional premium is charged for other coverage purchase. For example, road star, right? Or loss of use. You know loss of use? For example, if I have an accident, so then if it's my fault, if I have a loss of use for $100, so then for next 1 or 2 weeks they'll pay for me, but I have to pay something extra for that, right? So if you pay something $1,500 extra, but then you save you money that time, right? When the accident happens. Yeah. Okay.